Hey guys, got an unboxing for you today on the Iocell NetDisk. This takes a regular hard drive, SATA, and turns it into a network hard drive, USB, and I believe Firewire. Hard drive I'll be using is this Seagate 1000 gigabyte or terabyte hard drive, so I'll install that in there. So, let's unbox this. Turn this thing. Piece of shit. Ethernet cable. eSATA cable, if you need it. And USB 2.0. NetDisk user manual. And the enclosure. So the hard drive just slides in this case right here, which will then be screwed in right there, and pops into the eSATA connection right there. Now we screw the hard drive back into its connection, and after that we put the case on. So now the enclosure, button this up here, and we should be good to go. Okay, so here it is, it's all set up, and it's got Ethernet in the back, USB, Firewire 800, and it's running great, right hooked up to the Time Capsule. So thanks for watching.